Hello, and welcome to Comprehensible English. Today, we're going to be looking through this book called Snow Day. As you can see, there is a big red house with 3 windows and 3 green hedges out front, or bushes. And the sky is nice and blue, but there's a lot of snow falling, and you can see it collecting in piles along the ground. The lady in this book is looking outside, and how do you think that she feels right now? I think that she is surprised to see the snow. She's looking out the window. She's wearing a pink or purple shirt, and she has long brown hair. It looks like she's getting ready to go outside. She has a hat and a scarf, which are both green. She's also wearing blue pants and black shoes. Here she is. She's gone outside and she's standing in the snow. The snow is falling all around her. She's wearing her hat, and it has a white pom-pom on the top. It looks like she is making a big, round snowball with her hands, and here is her jacket sleeves, which look to be purple. Wow, she has made a very big snowball. It looks to be huge. It comes up to around her waist. Ah, she's making a snowman. There's a big snowball, then a medium snowball, and a small snowball on top for the head. It looks like she has a carrot and 2 twigs. Oh, she has a carrot, 2 buttons, 2 twigs, and a hat. Do you know where all of these things will go? The hat is going on top of the snowman's head, and the 2 twigs become the snowman's arms. Then she still has the buttons and the carrot left. She's used the buttons to make nice black eyes and a carrot nose. And it looks like she was nice enough to loan the snowman her scarf. She's all done building the snowman, so she's gone back inside. She's taken off her purple jacket and her green toque, and she's standing in her living room. Looks like she got a little bit cold while she was outside, so she has a nice warm cup of tea or hot chocolate. You can see the steam rising up. The end.